So for challenge 3, it's just checking to see whether you've learned what we've just talked about and whether you can come up with some sensible variable names and whether you can output things separately. So program asks the user to input their surname. So as soon as you see the word input or enter, you know that that's going to be some sort of input. So that's the first part of your program. So we need to create variables with sensible names. So because it says surname, we're going to call it surname. And because it says first name, we're going to call it first name. Because it's inputs, we're going to put equals input. And then you just have to write some sort of sensible message in here. So enter your surname equals input, enter your first name. Once those two variables are input, then it's saying the program outputs the user's first name and then their surname. So it wants you to basically reverse the order. So when we use the print command, we can tell it to print whatever we want, and it wants to do it separately. So the way I understand that is it's going to print out first name, and then on the line below, print out surname. Now if we run that program, we need to save it as challenge 3. Asks us some details. So there you go. That's me entering it wrong. So because it's asking me for my surname first and then first name, I've typed in the details wrong. So if I do it again, run the program, enter your surname, pay a bit more attention, Weir, and then Jonathan. And then it's reversed the details the other way around. That's the end of challenge 3.